The first step is to draw the basic shape of our raspberries in the middle of your paper. Draw lightly because we will be drawing details over these initial lines. If you are drawing along with your own paper and pencil, you probably will need to pause the video until you are ready to move on. Next, draw slight curved lines over the previous outlines. You can erase the original outline once you are happy with your curved lines. Detail the raspberry fruits by adding more curvy shapes inside the raspberries to create the overall texture. After that, we add the stems at the top of each raspberry. To complete your line drawing, add leaves between the stem and the body of each raspberry. Notice how the leaves curve and end in points. Now, it is time to grab your crayons and color your raspberries with mostly red and green colors. Do you want a printable PDF that includes a page for coloring? Check out the link in the description.